This is out the back of those now. There's the two bays in the workshop. 5 wickets, I think we've got. This is our silver zafira. I'm going to bring it out a bit because there's very little room here at all. This is a really nice car, very tidy, obviously very low mileage. I don't know why I felt I need to leave that up there, but it's just a cover for the 12 volt thingamajig. They always come off, so I'll leave that there. Anyway, so you can see the mileage, 42,689. Get the right keys, that will help. Sorry, bear with me. Sorry, I just noticed our valeter is not the best. This is perfectly clean, and as you can see, but not perfectly good, as you can see, but just not very clean, so I'll make sure that that's done properly. Anyway, there's the mileage, 42,689, no warning lights. Again, starts and sounds fine. Move it out a bit so we have a bit of space. In fact, I'll move it out a bit anyway. Whistle there, that should pass. There we go. So look, again, we've got the parking sensors on this one. In fact, the same sort of spec as the other one. I'm sure I can find something.
You ain't got that on, have you?
No.
I might have to gel the inside later.
Yeah, you have to, yeah, it's a bit grubby in there.
Yeah, because they always look dry.
Yeah, no worries, mate. There you go, that's the valetus, saying it's sort it out. As you can see, this one immediately it is a lot tidier than the other one. You'd expect that for a low mileage car. So, right, tyres. Got Yokohama on the front, fairly new, 6-ish mil tread, 5 or 6, maybe more. Very tiny bit of condensation in the headlight, but that should clear. We've just valeted it, as I said. It's just dirt. Trim looks good. Front parking sensors on this one. Scratch there, a few little marks on the bonnet, stone chips or what have you, but they're all very small. Near side again, Yokohama, fairly new tyre. Paint all looks nice. Wing mirror's fine. I think we've got a broken wing mirror glass on the other side, but we're waiting to replace that. A couple of little marks here and there on the paint, but that will polish out. They are just marks rather than scratches. Some brush marks along here that should polish out. A few little marks down at the bottom on the edge of the door, but very small. To the back tyre, about 3 or 4 mil tread on this one. Not quite as new as the front, but still pretty good. Little marks on the edge of the door, but very minor. Tiny mark there. Supermarket type thing. Roof looks fine. This light's broken, so we will replace this. A few little marks on the edge of the bonnet, on the edge of the boot lid. A little mark there. Yeah, very minor stuff. This is really very nice car actually. This tyre is practically new. A few little marks on the door just there. Very minor. Let's try to find another word then, but I could come up with one, so I was going to say insignificant. And again, tiny small marks. That's the wing mirror that fell out, so we need to get a new one of those, which we will. Just check the cover, and it looks fine. So yeah, obviously trim. As Sam says, it does need a bit of a better clean, but he'll do that. In terms of condition, very happy. It looks all very nice. Seats look good. Back seats look fine. That, for some reason, has been taped up. I see that quite a lot on these type of cars. Might have to get a new seatbelt stock or just glue them together properly rather than bodge them. Somebody's obviously like the gaffer tape because they've taped on the cover for the power supply, which is a bit silly, but we can sort that out. We've got the parcel shelf in place this time, but you can see the seats look nice. In fact, this is exactly roof line in. There's a little mark over there, but I'm sure we could brush that out. In fact, I might get a brush and do that now. A couple of other little marks, but they will come out, as I hopefully will now demonstrate. Just going to hit the brush when it's on. And get the brush that I know is clean. I've got mats in here as well. But Sam might have washed the others if there's ones in the front, so we've got a bit of mud up there. And voila, no more mud. Very satisfying doing that because it always comes up really well. I think we'll agree. That looks absolutely fine now. I'm not sure you can see it because of the light, but it does look fine. That's just a brush out, which we'll obviously do. That one there. There. But yeah, you see that they come out easy enough. Onto the back. This one, as I say, does have the boot trim in it. Let's see if we've got a tyre kit yet. The tyre pressure, tyre sealant and compressors in there for this one. So it's obviously never been used, which is good. Should put that in right. There we go. And you can see the back seats are barely used. Look really nice condition. And boot lining, and boot trim all looks fine. Start it up and have a look. Well, let's have a look at the engine first. Oh. He's washed the seats on this, which is why the rest of it hasn't been done yet in terms of cleaning, but it does mean it's going to be a bit hot under here, so I won't try and take the lid off. But as you can see, the oil's nice and liquid, and plenty of it. I'm not going to try and take that cap off because it's going to be too hot. But you can see the coolant's clear. Again, nothing untoward in there. Bonnet lining nice and clean. And everything I can see is exactly how I'd want to see it. So that's the engine bay. So there we go. That's our, as you can see, it's got the Vauxhall wheel trims on it, but they are still only steel wheels. There we go. That's our silver Zafira.